Hey, MES, it's Miss Shoddy. I want to talk to you all today about a very important topic. It's one that actually makes me very sad. It's cyberbullying. What is cyberbullying? Cyberbullying. Well, it has to do with things like a laptop, a cell phone, or even video games. People use these kinds of devices to bully online. Cyberbullying is the repeated use of technology to harass, humiliate, or threaten someone online. What are some examples of cyberbullying? Well, have you ever seen mean or rude comments online? Or have you ever heard about someone spreading rumors about someone else through text messages? Or even excluding people from online activities. That's called exclusion. Being excluded from a video game can be hurtful. Some people create fake profiles and say hurtful and inappropriate things. Dissing is another type of cyberbullying. That happens when screenshots are taken and sent out to people with cruel information. Now, cyberbullying is easy to see if you log into your Instagram account or your Facebook or your Snapchat. These are the top 3 places that cyberbullying takes place. But it can also happen in video games, through text messages, or even in chat rooms. Cyberbullying is very hurtful, just like bullying, and it can have negative effects. Some people get really sad, even depressed, because of cyberbullying. Sometimes people get low self-esteem, and they start believing the mean things that others have said about them online. Some people might skip school, or they might stop eating, and some people might even take their own life. So why does it happen? Well, more and more people are getting electronics, phones, tablets, laptops, and that means it makes it easy for cyberbullying to occur. One resource even said, it's easy to do anonymously and kids believe it's harder to trace back. Remember, anonymously means no one knows who did it. The graph that I included is a survey from a resource that I used to get my information. This survey said the majority of schools say that cyberbullying is increasing. So, how can you stop cyberbullying? First, always report it to the school. If you aren't at school, tell an adult that you can trust. Don't encourage it. If you're with someone who wants to spread a rumor online, have the courage to do what is right. Tell them that is a form of cyberbullying and they could get into lots of trouble. Next, don't be afraid to stand up, speak up, and stay away. You always want to do the right thing. And last, connect with someone new. Maybe play with them. Always be a friend. Hey, MES, I want you to show compassion to others. I want you to be brave. And I want you to have courage. Let's make our school the best school around. Hey, MES, make it happen.